Hi, my name is Zoran and I'm a product manager here at Voiceflow, and today I'm excited to announce the release of Workflows. This is a new system for organizing and managing your agents for scale. We think a lot about scale here at Voiceflow, specifically how do we make it easier for our users to build agents that can tackle harder problems, that can solve a variety of different use cases, all the while making it easier for you to collaborate with your peers in the same agent during the development process. We're moving away from our old structure of domains, topics, and subtopics. Don't worry, we've migrated all of that existing content directly into the Workflows CMS table, maintaining that same organizational structure that you had previously, so no work is lost, but you do get access to all of the new features that we've introduced. So inside of this project that I have open now, I've actually gone ahead and built out an agent. And this agent, I've also gone ahead and organized the way that I best see fit, and that is by use case. So as soon as I navigate to the Workflows tab, I have a number of folders already set up for the different use cases, account services, credit card, and so on. If I go ahead and select the credit card folder, I'm going to see some additional nested folders within it, in addition to some of the workflows that I've already built out. Now, one of the great things about Workflows is the visibility. At a high level, I can see what is happening in a workflow without ever going to the canvas. So here, the credit card workflow has an optional description. This is where I can document exactly what is going on. I also have the triggers column. This is showing what intents are in that workflow, giving me a clear indication of what is the user intent that is triggering that workflow. I also have additional project management capabilities now, a status and an assignee. So if I go ahead and select any one of these workflows, I can assign this to someone on my team. They're going to get an email letting them know that they've been assigned to this workflow. I can also assign a status, making it easy to understand what is the state of a workflow during the development process, what still needs to be done before we push this to production. Okay, so let's go ahead and navigate to the canvas. There are two ways of doing so. The first way is by selecting the workflow and hitting the edit workflow button, or I can just double click on the workflow itself. So if I do that, I'm getting deep linked directly into the canvas for that workflow that I selected. And so here, the familiar canvas that you already know, but some of the new additions that we've added here is a new design nav. So that same directory structure that you built out in the CMS table is now available here as well. You could also do the same thing for components. If you're already using folders and components, you're going to see them represented here, making it way easier depending on the volume of workflows that you have to manage it when you're on the canvas. In terms of navigating between the workflows, very similar to what was before. So you can go ahead and navigate directly from the left-hand navbar, or from the header as well. You can search and navigate to the various workflows as well. You're going to notice that we've cleaned up a lot of stuff here. There's no longer that left-hand toolbar. That's actually only available in the Agent CMS now. And we've also introduced this back button, which will take you back to the CMS page from whatever workflow you're currently on the canvas. Now, to get back to the canvas, there are two ways of doing that. Again, you can navigate by selecting a workflow, or my face was hiding it here, you can select the Return to Designer button, which will take you exactly to where you left off, so that if you're navigating across the different pages, like the knowledge base, components, variables, you'll be able to jump back to the canvas at any point. And so this is going to make the experience feel a lot more cohesive. The new center of gravity is where your data is managed, and that is inside the Agent CMS. But we're really excited about what this is going to unlock for you, and we're really excited about hearing your feedback as part of this release. Thank you.